this is Dr. Kurt Loveless from Yellow House Dental and Implant Center with another Whiteboard Wednesday. And I thought for this Whiteboard Wednesday, it would be good to have a discussion about affordable dentistry. I was on Facebook the other day and somebody posted on the news feed, can somebody recommend an affordable dentist? Well, that kind of caught me for a second. I thought, okay, what does that mean exactly? Well, I looked at the comments, and everyone was offering their suggestions of dentists to go to. Many of my colleagues were among those that were recommended. And I was struck by one thing. Not one of the comments said anything about dollars or cost. I talked instead about care and compassion, the friendliness of the staff, the office and the office environment, but really nothing about money. Which brings us to why we want to have a discussion about affordable dentistry. I think that your best bet in finding a dentist is a good referral, a trusted friend or somebody who has experience with them. That's where our best referrals come from, is our existing patients and our supporters and our friends. I often talk to patients about their teeth in maintenance in relationship to affordable dentistry. You don't go out and buy a Mercedes or a John Deere tractor or a Porsche 911 or even a Volkswagen Jetta. That there isn't maintenance involved with maintaining a car. You've got to change the oil, you've got to change the oil filter, you've got to put gas in it, you've got to clean the windshields, and you've got to change the windshield wipers, and after you drive 40,000 miles, you've got to change the tires. All very necessary expenses that are part of the maintenance of a car. Where our teeth are more like that. A lot of people just say, I just wished I didn't have any more dental problems. Well, our mouths are like a car. There's something that needs to be maintained. And so what I would like to offer is my thought on affordable dentistry is maintaining your mouth in the best health you can maintain it in is the best way to make dentistry affordable. With people who have said, hey, I just don't want any more dental problems, just take them all out. You know, yep, that's a solution. That's something you can do. If you remove all your teeth, I promise you will no longer have any teeth or tooth problems. But you're going to have some other problems you hadn't thought about. And when you decide you would really like to eat a steak again, you're going to spend $50,000 or $60,000 on an implant retained prosthesis so that you can do that. Now, is that affordable? Not in my mind. It's a great alternative if you don't have other alternatives. I think the bottom line is this. The best way to keep dentistry affordable is to maintain your teeth in the best health you can for as long as you can. This is another installment of Whiteboard Wednesday. In July, we're going to talk about why is it important for your dental professional to know your health history.